guys, this is part 2. This is where I left off last time. Me and him did like a little bit, only a little bit further.
What is that?
Whoa, whoa, I don't
You need
know.
to kill that.
I don't have enough ammo.
You got ammo in your bag.
Yeah, I know. Oh, you have light.
Why'd you touch his stuff?
What is that? Oh,
Yes.
it's a 2 kill.
Don't stand on the ground.
That. I dropped my gun. Oh! Bro, come here.
Yo,
I need
where
you
are
back. I need you back. I dropped my gun. I got it. Okay.
You need to come to me.
I came to you.
He's not gonna kill you unless you touch his stuff.
I did not know that. Or shoot him, right? Oh no. That was a very much an accident.
We're good. Don't mess with him. What is this? Ah!
Oh, you! Oh no,
Here.
oh no. That's not good.
Try and put this fire. Never mind. Come on, follow me.
He's right here. I'm out of ammo.
It's fine. Come on.
No, hold on. I'm reloading. Hold on.
You gotta go. Wait, let me go on. In a second. I'm gonna put my VR on.
What is this thing? It's honestly not even that
Come on. Wait.
There's another monster. What you doing, bro?
Make sure my headset's charging.
Oh no!
Don't shoot him. Just come on.
There's 2 of them. No! No!
It's fine. Come on. We gotta get through this hand.
This makes it even harder. No! Help! I'm gonna die now! Bro, we both died.
I know there's an easier way to get there.
There is?
I don't know how to do it though. Here.
That's my
Nope.
massive backpack.
This one. Your backpack?
I'll have this one. I'll have this one. Okay, that's fine.
Alright, now. Activate this and put it in my backpack.
You want me to get in your backpack?
Activate it and put it in my backpack. Okay.
Oh, I see what you're. Hold up. I see what you're doing. Gadgets. Can
What
you
are you doing?
activate it and put it in my bag? Hold it. I'll put it in my. I'll activate
No,
it.
I don't need to do that to you.
I'm gonna do it anyway. Where'd you go? Bro, I don't have any ammo.
You don't need ammo or anything, just that backpack.
Okay.
You don't follow me, don't follow me.
Alright.
That's what the telegenade's for.
Guys, I honestly have no clue what he's doing. What are you doing? I'll plug my headset in the meantime. Let's just chill and wait. Where is he, bro? I don't know where he went. Bro, look at this backpack. It literally looks like it went through me. It looks like it went through me, doesn't it? It's so funny, isn't it? I honestly have no clue what he's doing. Gonna teleport. Whoa. Alright, let's just get back up here and grab my backpack. I'm gonna grab a crowbar just in case. Weapons. Crowbar. Uh-oh. Alright, now I just gotta wait for him to come back. I honestly have no clue what he's doing. If you guys have a clue what he's doing, just comment it down below. Watch his headset dies. That'd kind of I'd be mad that he does all this just for my headset to die. Just for his headset to die, actually. Alright, hold it. I'm gonna... Oh. Bro. Alright, so we're just waiting. Can it? Yeah, but look how tall I am, bro. So look, I totally don't have a crowbar in my hand right now. This is actually how that. Yeah, see, look how tall I am. This is how tall I am in other games. What are you doing? Yo, what's up?
I don't know how to do it, so I gotta get off because my viewer's dying.
Alright. Well, guys, I guess this is where it ends. We ended up dying in the end.